Oh, I get like hype for you, but them not ready yet. Make them know say I think ever ready set. Them a chat, but them never ever matter yet. Expensive clothes on your body.
Hello everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a get ready with me. This is my first get ready with me, and on my way to the dentist I'll be doing dental surgery. I'll be removing 4 wisdom teeth, so I'm bringing you guys along with today's video. I'll be applying one of my old wigs. Yes, my old wigs. My old wig. So this is what she looks like. Yeah, this is what we're working with. So this is the wig that I made in my second video. This is a quick weave. So yes, so let's jump into it. So as you guys can see, I am already wearing my wig cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Ghost Bond classic glue. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna apply that to the hairline. Alright, so here I go. Here we go. And if you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is right here. So yeah, just gonna use my finger to spread it out. I'm gonna allow this first layer to dry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second layer of the Ghost one. So now that my first layer is dried, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my second layer. So now that that's finished, I think I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my wig. This on. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and clip this so that no hair gets beneath this. So yeah, I'm gonna have glue on it. So here we go. Tie my hair down. So while I let that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and add some soft curls with my flat iron to this hair. This is my first curl. Ooh, so juicy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Ooh, look at that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges with my mousse. Oh, we are on our way out. We're going to the dentist. It's like 27 degrees outside, but it's sunny. So we're here, you guys, and waiting. And ready to get this surgery on. No, I'm scared. You guys, my mouth is numb. It's weird. You're cute.